So in this video, I'll show you how to replace your struts in the back hatch of your 2010 Lexus RX 350. Here's how you know how when you need to replace it, basically the door starts coming down or you'll start to get it beeping because it won't go all the way up. That's when you know your struts are gone and you need to replace them. All right, so we're gonna go with the key mocks, I guess. QI mocks or key mocks. So there's another video I did with the front hood struts and I went with the Max Pow for that. Max Pow brand. They didn't have the rear struts in the same brand. I really couldn't even find the OEM ones. So these had good reviews on Amazon, so we're gonna give these a shot. And probably very, very similar. So let's get started. Get a broom. Let's see. I should do it. So in the last video, I used the screwdriver to pry the whole thing. In this video, because there's the sort of C-clamps, I'm gonna try to peel the C-clamp back, see if that gets it off. Probably this will do it. All right, right inside of here. Yeah. So let's just see if I can pop this off now.
See, that's what I was afraid of, Dan.
Well, it's because I raised it. Did it just get heavy all of a sudden?
Yeah. A little bit.
All right. Let's try to put this up here. All right, let go.
If that falls again, then it's gonna...
That's not doing anything. Like, this isn't being...
Well, I know.
All right, just hold it up by hand. I'll try to find it.
Do you want me to quit recording so I can hold this?
No, keep recording.
Okay, well, I don't know how I can hold this any longer, Dad. Hey, Dad, are you sure I can't put anything down? Because I'm kind of hurting.
There we go. Let it go. All right.
Is that going to break it?
No.
All right.
Okay, so I wanted to do this video so that you could see how to do it by yourself. I just took my floor jack and just took the pole out of it. You want it to be going straight up and down. As you saw before, the other pole was at an angle. That definitely doesn't work. So this works. You can see it's solid. Now I'm free to basically take the rest off. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so I think taking that clip off definitely makes it easier. Don't you think?
Yeah, a little bit.
This one's got an internal clip. Well, actually, it's the same thing. Oh, but look at that. There's no grease on the inside. That's not gonna work. So we need grease. One downside of this is that there's no grease on the inside. That's not gonna work. So we gotta get some grease. Okay, so let's just get some grease inside. Perfect. See, that's all you need is a little dab. A little dab. You can see how easy that is. Just enough to go in. If you don't put this grease on here, then these will likely make like a creaking sound every time you go to open it. So, and then you can see there was some original OEM grease on there. We're just gonna wipe this clean because we don't want to put basically all that dirt. Same for up here. You can see the original dirt on there. We're just gonna wipe this clean somewhat. There. Now we've got just push on. Okay. This. Oh man. Put my finger right in it. There we go. Okay, so now I need to lift. Okay, that's in. So again, we're just gonna go in here with the screwdriver and go fling this off. There we go.
I knew it was gonna hit me.
Did it hit you?
Yeah, my pinky.
Sorry.
So you can see it right there.
Sorry. And then down here, same thing. Just gonna pry this away. I don't know where that went.
On the concrete.
So now, I don't know if one thing can hold it, so I'm just gonna put this back up here. Oh, it's much higher now. Look at that, it won't even go up here anymore.
What are you doing?
That wasn't me, because I had it on the carpet. All right, let's just put it here, just to be safe. There we go. Just peel that back carefully. Good. Clean this a little bit so that our nice fresh grease is good. Ew, that's nasty. So again, this is what it looks like when you've got the grease in there properly. The Max Pow had the grease. I don't know why these people don't. All right, so put this bottom one in first. Nice and easy. I'm just gonna hold it again by hand. And I'm gonna put this up, pop this into place. Oops. Okay, because it's angled. I might have broken a blood vessel on my finger. See that? Purple?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Still works. Now. There we go. So it looks like the trick was just to raise it high enough to get it. Seems to be working. All right, that's good. Just to recap, this hatch is very heavy, so you definitely need at least one strut up there, and it hopefully has a little bit of juice left in it, because trying to hold that up while you're putting the thing was really hard. I can't imagine having to do it for both. So one at a time is key, and having it up high enough so that it just slides right in is key, because I was really struggling to lift and push. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.